If you are on vacation, you need to put a moisturizing device onto the printhead of your DTF printer. As long as the printhead is moisturized during the vacation, it will remain in good condition. Fill up the cartridges with moisturizer. Take off the ink cartridges from the printhead. Put them in a plastic bag in case the inks drip on the printer. Remove the tubing tie if you want to place the ink cartridges at a better place. Insert the moisturizing cartridges onto the printhead. Use a syringe to extract the waste inks until the moisturizer flows out of the ink waste tube. Extract more liquid so that the ink paths in the printhead has less ink left over. Power on the printer. Long press the ink button to execute printhead cleaning commands. By keeping the printhead moisturized throughout your time away, you can help maintain its performance and longevity.